Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing good. My name is Vanita and I am your science teacher. So today we are going to discuss about very interesting and most important topic. Why I am telling that it is important and most interesting? Because our entire world is made up of only this thing. Now you might be thinking that what is that interesting and most important thing? Wait, let me tell you. Have you ever heard about an atom? Yes, this is the only things that our entire world is made up of, either it living things or non-living things. Have you ever observed a building? In building, there are lots of rooms and rooms are made up of walls, okay? And walls are made up of different bricks. So that single bricks join together to form walls and walls join together to form rooms and room join together to form a huge building. That means the single brick is the fundamental unit, or we can call it as building block of that huge building. Similarly, atoms are the fundamental unit, or we can call it as building block of all matters in our surrounding, either it living things or non-living things, except feelings and emotion. I hope you got the basic idea of an atom. Now let me tell you that what is the exact meaning of an atom. So simple definition of atom is the smallest units of any substance known as atom. For example, sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is made up of two types of atom, sodium and chlorine. Second is water. Water is made up of two types of atom, hydrogen and oxygen. Similarly, sugar. Sugar is made up of three types of atom, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. If two same type of atom join together and to form a new substance known as element. For example, this iron rod, it is made up of same type of atom, that is only iron atom, so this is called element. If two different types of atom join together and to form a new substance known as compound, for example water. So this water is made up of two types of atom, first is hydrogen and second is oxygen. When millions of hydrogen atoms combine together, then we get one bottle of water, okay? So now the question is, how big are atoms? Atoms are very small. Atoms are smaller than anything that you can imagine. It is very small. You cannot see atoms from our naked eye. But nowadays, due to modern technology, we can see atom from our naked eye through sophisticated microscope. So you will see that atoms are made up of very tiny particles known as proton, electrons and neutron. Therefore, proton, neutrons and electron made of atoms, and many atoms combine together to form new substance like salt, water and any other substance like sugar. One another question you should learn that why atoms are different. Let me give you one example. For example, these three pens are different in size, different in shape and different in color. Similarly, our atoms are different in number of protons, number of electrons and number of neutrons. So for example, if we take carbon atom contains 6 number of protons, 6 number of electron and 6 number of neutron. These all combines together to form a one carbon atom. Secondly, if we take oxygen atom contain 8 number of proton, 8 number of electron, 8 number of neutron, that all combine together to form a new oxygen atom. If we find an atom having 6 number of proton, neutron and electron, we can call it as carbon atom. And if we find atom having 8 number of proton, electron and neutron, we can call it as oxygen atom. Thus, atoms are different from each other due to different number of electron, protons and neutron. So let me summarize what we have learned today. So we have learned today atoms are the smallest units of any substance known as atoms, and atoms are very small. We cannot see atoms from our naked eyes, and atoms are made up of tiny particles like proton, neutrons and electrons, and atoms are different from each other because they have different number of protons, neutrons and electrons. That's all about our atom. Thank you.